Salmonella is a bacterium that occurs mainly in the intestine, especially a serotype causing food poisoning.
Salmonella can be transmitted by food processing or food handling, contaminated fruits and vegetables, raw sprouts, beef, poultry, milk, and eggs.
It can also be transmitted by not washing hands before handling food and also by person-to-person transmission.
Just in the United States, 500 to 600 cases of deaths are reported, and there are more cases that are not reported.
Just in the US, incidents are between 1.4 to 4 million cases.
Infections are most prevalent in countries where intensive animal husbandry occurs. Origin comes from domestic and wild animals. Examples include poultry, pigs, cattle, and in pets, cats and dogs, birds and reptiles.
The signs and symptoms occurs from 12 to 36 hours after ingestion of bacteria and last from 2 to 7 days. Symptoms include acute onset of fever, abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. According to this graph, children under the age of 5 are more likely to contract salmonella compared to that of other illnesses.
Diagnosis comes from testing a clinical specimen like blood from an infected person. The prognosis is very good because it is a self-limiting disease in most patients. They are most likely to recover by themselves.
You can make a recovery from salmonella without specific treatment. However, rehydration may be necessary and electrolyte replacement, for example, sodium, potassium, and chloride ions. Another method would be to use antimicrobial therapy for infants, elderly, and immunocompromised patients. Antimicrobial therapy is the killing or inhibiting of the growth of microorganisms like bacteria.
For prevention, control measures at all stages of the food chain, from agricultural production to processing, manufacturing, and preparation of food at home to commercial establishments. Also, cook poultry, ground beef, and eggs thoroughly. In addition, do not eat or drink foods containing raw eggs and milk. Finally, wash your hands often and as much as you can.